Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and having these routine daily probiotic capsules has been one of the easiest additions for my digestive wellness. They are the perfect size, they're not too big, which makes them really easy to swallow. I don't know about you, but sometimes when I have taken capsules, I've later found them to be kind of repeating on me a little bit, but I have not found this with these capsules at all. I've had absolutely no negative side effects, only good things. I struggle with bloating sometimes from certain foods, so having something to help me with that is definitely welcome. Having these capsules means that I can continue my foodie lifestyle and continue to enjoy all of the wide variety of foods that I like. They come with a beautiful little glass jar to store all the capsules in, and this keeps them nice and safe, and it's great to transport them into. They contain all of the good stuff to help my gut flora be more balanced and help me to be more regular. Overall, taking these capsules is such a simple step to take and remember each day. Even on my very busiest days, taking these probiotic capsules is a positive part of my routine that I can include to maintain my gut health. But that's just my point of view.